Let's be honest, if you start a YouTube in 2026 without choosing the right type of vlog, you might get discouraged very fast because not all vlogs grow the same. In this video, I want to share 7 types of vlogs that you can start in 2026 that are actually working, and some of them are easy to start even if you are a beginner. Make sure you watch until the end because one of these might be exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Missy and do creator videos. If you're here and you want to grow your channel, subscribe so that you can get notifications of all the videos that I post and we grow together. So let's get into it. The first vlog you can start is Day in My Life vlog. First, we have Day in My Life vlogs, but not just any kind. Because if you just record your day randomly, people might get bored. What works now is giving your day a theme. For example, a productive day in my life, a realistic day as a small YouTuber, and trying to get consistent. So, instead of just showing your day, you are telling a story. And that keeps people watching. Another vlog that is really growing, it is hustle or money vlog. People are interested seeing how others are making money, especially online. You don't need to be making a lot. You can even start with trying different side hustles, sharing your journey of how you make money, how you started until where you are, showing what works and what doesn't. People connect more with honesty than perfection. The third type of vlogs is educational lifestyle vlog. This one is very powerful, especially if you want to grow fast. This is where you mix your normal life with teaching something. Example, cooking and giving tips, talking about your day while giving advice, and teaching something small as you vlog. People are not just watching, but actually you are helping them to learn something. The fourth type of vlogs is cooking vlogs. Let's talk about cooking and home vlogs. These ones do very well because they are simple and reliable. You don't need a perfect kitchen. Even simple meals like what to cook daily can become content. And you can as well talk as you cook, share stories, and give tips. People enjoy that real home feeling. Vlog number 5, it's pet vlog. If you have a pet, you already have content idea. Pet videos are very engaging and easy to watch. When doing pet videos, you can show daily routine, funny moments of your pet, and cute behaviors of these pets. These videos are very shareable, which makes you reach more people. The 6th type of vlog is journey vlog. This is my favorite type. It is where you document your progress. For example, your growth on YouTube, your journey on monetization, and starting from zero. You document how you started from 0 subscriber to where you are. People love following a journey because they feel they are part of it and keep coming back to see the progress. Lastly, we have storytime or lessons vlog. Here is where you share your real experience or lessons. You talk of the things that you've gone through or things you have learned. And this works because people connect with real stories. When someone relates to your story, they are more likely to stay, comment, and subscribe. So, those are some of the best types of vlogs you can start in 2026. You don't have to do all of them, just pick one that fits you and stay consistent. That's really the most important thing. Now, you might be wondering, how do you choose the right vlog? Always choose what is easy for you. Choose what you enjoy and don't overthink. Just start. When I started, I didn't know which type to choose. I kept switching and that slowed my growth. I would love to know which type of vlog are you thinking of starting. Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.